Welcome to the world of Shahi Paneer. This dish is fit for kings and queens. It's creamy, rich and bursting with flavor. Imagine a velvety smooth gravy, delicately spiced and simmered to perfection. Now picture soft, melt-in-your-mouth paneer cheese nestled within that luxurious sauce. That is Shahi Paneer, a true gem of Indian cuisine. The story of Shahi Paneer is as captivating as its taste. It originated in the royal kitchens of Mughal India. The word Shahi itself means royal in Hindi. This dish was a testament to the opulence and grandeur of the Mughal era. Chefs used the finest ingredients and meticulous techniques to create a culinary masterpiece. Shahi Paneer quickly transcended its royal origins. It became a beloved dish across India. Now it graces tables in homes, restaurants, and celebrations of all kinds. The dish's enduring popularity is a testament to its exquisite flavors. Prepare to embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds. Let's begin our adventure in creating this royal treat. Before we embark on our culinary journey, let's gather our ingredients. Each component plays a vital role in creating the symphony of flavors that is Shahi Paneer. For the paneer, Indian cottage cheese, cubed oil or ghee, clarified butter. For the gravy, onions, tomatoes, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, cashews, almonds, water, cream oil or ghee, clarified butter. For the spices, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, salt. These ingredients are the building blocks of our Shahi Paneer. They represent the heart of Indian cooking, a harmonious blend of spices, fresh produce and creamy textures. Gather your ingredients and let's begin our culinary adventure. Now let's transform these ingredients into a culinary masterpiece. 1. Preparing the paneer. Heat oil or ghee in a pan. Gently fry the paneer cubes until they turn a light golden brown. This will give them a delightful crispness. Set the paneer aside. 2. Creating the base. In the same pan, add more oil or ghee if needed. Sauté chopped onions until they soften. Add green chilies, ginger garlic paste and sauté for a minute. Then add chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften and release oil. 3. Blending the magic. Allow the onion-tomato mixture to cool slightly. Then blend it into a smooth paste. In the same pan, lightly roast cashews and almonds. Grind them into a fine paste. 4. Building the gravy. Heat oil or ghee in the pan. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder. Sauté for a few seconds until fragrant. Pour in the blended onion-tomato paste and cook for a few minutes. Add the cashew-almond paste, water and salt. Let the gravy simmer until it thickens to your liking. 5. The royal union. Gently add the fried paneer cubes to the simmering gravy. Allow the flavors to meld for a few minutes. Finally, stir in the cream and sprinkle in the garam masala. Your Shahi Paneer is ready to be enjoyed. Here are some secrets to make your Shahi Paneer truly exceptional. Use fresh, high-quality ingredients for the best flavor. For a richer gravy, use full, fat cream or add a tablespoon of butter at the end. Adjust the spice levels to your preference. Taste and adjust the seasoning throughout the cooking process. Garnish generously with fresh coriander leaves for a final touch of freshness. Section 5. Avoiding culinary faux pas. Common mistakes and solutions. Even experienced cooks can encounter challenges. Here's how to avoid common pitfalls. Gravy too thin? Simmer it longer, uncovered, to allow excess moisture to evaporate. Gravy too thick? Add a little warm water or milk to adjust the consistency. Paneer rubbery? Avoid overcooking the paneer. Fry it until lightly golden, and don't let it simmer in the gravy for too long. Section 6. A royal feast for all customizing your Shahi Paneer. Shahi Paneer is a versatile dish that can be customized. For a tangier flavor, add a teaspoon of lemon juice. For a spicier kick, increase the green chilies or add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Feel free to experiment and make this dish your own. Section 7. Presenting your masterpiece. Serving suggestions. Shahi Paneer is best served hot. Ladle it generously into bowls and garnish with a dollop of fresh cream and coriander leaves. The vibrant colors and enticing aromas will make your meal a feast for the senses. Section 8. A symphony of flavors pairing Shahi Paneer. This royal dish pairs perfectly with a variety of Indian breads such as naan, roti or paratha. The soft breads soak up the rich gravy, creating a harmonious blend of textures and tastes. For a complete meal, serve Shahi Paneer with fragrant basmati rice and a side of cooling raita. Section 9. Until next time, a culinary farewell. Congratulations, you've embarked on a culinary adventure and created a dish fit for royalty. Remember, cooking is a journey of exploration. Don't be afraid to experiment, add your personal touch, and savor the delicious rewards of your culinary creations. Until next time, happy cooking.